Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey along US Highway 11, beginning at Pennsylvania Mile 74 in Penn Township, Perry County. US 15 is still tagging along, as it will for a while. We're driving parallel to the Susquehanna River, with the river to our right and much higher ground, often cliffs, to our left. Perry County was founded in 1820 and named for Oliver Hazard Perry, a hero of the War of 1812. The center of population of Pennsylvania was located in eastern Perry County as of the 2010 census. The county had a population of 45,842 as of the 2020 census. You may notice some signs indicating this is Bicycle Route J. These signs were first displayed in 2004, and Route J follows US 11 and 15 along the river from Warmleysburg to Northumberland, with only a couple of deviations. We enter the unincorporated village of Cove, which was once a borough and had a post office in operation between 1870 and 1967. As we drive along, you may notice signs on the side of the road that indicate brown detour route and later on orange detour route with arrows. The permanent highway detours are color-coded to indicate direction, although PennDOT doesn't specify brown in their color coding, and it perhaps means a combination of two directions. Either way, when a limited access highway is closed for whatever reason, signs indicate which detour route to follow, and it'll eventually get you back to where you're supposed to be beyond the closure. We briefly enter the borough of Duncannon, which US 11 and 15 mostly bypass today. But originally, the highway ran right through town and crossed the upcoming Juniata River on the narrow historic Duncannon Bridge, and then ran concurrent with US Highways 22 and 322 for 2 miles before returning to the current alignment. Duncannon was originally laid out in 1792 and called Petersburg, but the name was changed to Duncannon, derived from nearby Duncan Island. The Appalachian Trail crossed under US 11 right around the point where we entered the borough limits, and the trail runs along surface streets through town, then crossing the Susquehanna River on US 22 and 322. This is the last time we'll encounter the Appalachian Trail on US 11. Duncannon had a population of 1,473 as of the 2020 census. We crossed the Juniata River and passed through a small sliver of Reed Township in Dauphin County. Just ahead is a modified cloverleaf junction with U.S. Highways 22 and 322. We re-enter Perry County, and we're now in Watts Township. The highway name changes to Susquehanna Trail here. We passed through the borough of New Buffalo with a population of 124 as of the 2020 census. We enter Buffalo Township, home of Dr. Tom's Leather and Fireworks. The township had an estimated population of 1,229 as of 2021. We conclude today's video at mile 92. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.